So I am vlogging after a long time, and today I have to clean out my closet. I have to organize it. If I show you the condition of my closet, dude, you'll be like, oh my god, what is wrong with this girl? And obviously since winters are over and most of my winter wear is out right now, I have to keep that back in storage and summer wear nikalna hai. So it's gonna be like a crazy day today. I have to actually edit a video also. Let's see kitna ho pata hai, and maybe later I'll show you some products that I got from Nykaa. So एक Nykaa haul type भी मैं इस vlog में include करूँगी. So this is my very comfy outfit for the day. I went for a very comfortable fit. I'm wearing these jeans because I wanted to dress up a little bit, and I wore this full sleeved white jersey top. Can you see I've just tucked it at the back here, and sometimes I've just let it loose like this, and my cute neon chappals, and that's it. This is the outfit of the day. So truthfully, I have been procrastinating doing this work since I think more than 2 weeks now. ये मुझे बहुत पहले करना था, but मुझे इतना आलस आ रहा था, and you know closet clean out वगैरह you know इतना ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, मतलब पूरा दिन तो आज इसी में जाने वाला है for sure. So I was procrastinating this a lot, but अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा. So if you can see यहाँ पे यहाँ तक पाइल बन चुका है. Oh my god, do you remember this Albanic वाला ड्रेस? See यहाँ पे पूरा इसके अंदर पाइल बन चुका है. पीछे यहाँ तक I have clothes here, मतलब oh my god. And यहाँ साइड में पूरा, and नीचे I have my pajamas and stuff. Size sweatshirts यहाँ पर है. That is my footwear section. Now I won't be touching that part in this video because वहाँ पे it's pretty organized. I've got a sanitary pad right there. Don't mind that. So ये पूरा निकालना है बाहर. I'm running to where my home is, where I know I'm free. I've taken everything out of the top part of my closet. अभी ये दोनों शेल्फ बची हुई हैं because already इतना सारा सामान फैल चुका है. I'm thinking कि I'll sort through these first and पहले इनको देख लेती हूँ, and then I'll move on to these parts. So now I'll just go through this pile. I'll see what all I want to keep, donate and sell. So I'll make 3 different piles of it, and I'll judge the clothes based on first of all their fitting, which is going to be a major factor, like whether they fit me anymore or not. Secondly, I'll see whether I'll wear them or whether they are, you know, like they still vibe with my style, because obviously you change, you evolve, you're continuously, your style is evolving. So let's do this. So I was going through some old clothes and I found this jeans that I got from Sarojini like 2 years ago. Do you remember इस टाइप की jeans कितना ट्रेंड में थी, like जिसमें jeans के ऊपर से एक स्कर्ट कैसे स्टिच्ड वाला ओवरले था. I got this to recreate an outfit from प्रियंका चोपड़ा. मैंने एक वीडियो प्लान की थी, but I never did that video. And एक दो आउटफिट्स तो मेरे पास परफेक्ट चीज़ें थी, but then it never happened, and now the jeans are not fitting me. And this is sad. Another jeans that don't fit me that well anymore. These are very cute, like they are such a good pair, but they have gotten a little tight on the waist part. Like I can still close this, but ये बहुत tight हो चुके हैं. So major progress has been made. You can see there वो इतना बड़ा pile था, वो बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा हो चुका है. I have like just sorted into different piles जो कि पूरे मेरे साथ floor में पड़े हुए हैं, which I'll show you at last. But before moving further, I want to show you something that I even showed in my last closet clean out video जो मैंने 1 साल पहले किया था. It's these hangers है. So this has like 5 levels, as you can see. So you can hang different clothing pieces at different levels, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा compact हो जाता है. Space ज़्यादा use नहीं होता आपके closet में. So if you have a small closet like me, definitely go for these hangers. I have like 5 or 6 of them, and I use them quite a lot. This world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. So you know everyone has those t-shirts जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा पुराने हो जाते हैं, but they are so damn comfortable. This is one such piece for me. ये इतना ज़्यादा पुराना हो गया है. Worn this a lot, and इसमें even it has holes right here. Wait, let me see if I can show you. See, it has holes here, but ये इतना ज़्यादा comfortable piece है. So obviously the biggest pile is the keep one. These are all the summer wear and quite a lot of winter wear, bottoms, dresses, like बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो ये इतनी बड़ी pile है, but obviously I need clothes. Now the second one here is the sell pile. I actually have like a big bag full of stuff that I want to sell. तो ये सारा एक साथ add हो जाएगा. I think इससे भी ज़्यादा कपड़े हैं जो कि मैंने last year निकालते, but I could not sell them because the pandemic obviously. So I'll sell all of these together now. Here in this box I have that anarkali that I got from Lucknow and a couple of gifts that were for my friends जो कि मैं अभी तक उनको दे नहीं पाई हूँ. Here I have a few t-shirts that I took out for my brother actually. I'll give these to him because most of these are from male section anyway. Most of these are actually donate pieces, so I'll be donating these. यहाँ पे कुछ winter wear है, like all my sweatshirts and stuff that I have to keep in the storage. So ये धुल के संभालने हैं. Again more winter wear जो कि धुल के संभालना है. And I've been working for quite some time now. It's been a couple of hours, so I'll go and have lunch now. I think it's currently 2:10. See, it's 2:10 here, so I'll go have my lunch.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out, when I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you. Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my...
So after a lot of folding clothes and sorting and everything, let me show you the progress so far. Now the keep pile is still as big because इसको last में किया जाएगा, but I have packed all the clothing pieces that I have to sell in one box here. So ये काफ़ी बड़ा काम हो गया है. Please don't mind the mess here, but everything is kinda sorted. These are some of the things I'll be donating. यहाँ पे कुछ winter wear है जो I'll wash and then I'll keep it. And here my brother is helping me. Thank you so much. So he has helped me a lot actually. तो यहाँ पे हम सारा winter wear है जो कि इस वाले box में रखना है. So a lot of work has been done actually. अब बस मुझे ये वाला काम करना है.
Longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be. 'Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how
Water break.
where I know I'm free.
I've actually done like a lot of things. I've put all my jeans and pants and colorful pants, everything here. I'm changing the layout a little bit because I'm bored with the previous one and I'm trying to find a better one. Now here in this bin I've kept all my lowers, my joggers and track pants. Here I've got all my spaghetti tops, all my tank tops, ganjis, वो सारी चीज़ें. Now I'll see you after everything is done. Also if you want to see my room, this is what it looks like. I know it looks like I've done nothing here, but believe me बहुत सारा काम हो चुका है. I've sorted almost everything. Everything here is folded by my brother. And now I'll see you after I finish this. And it's done finally. So this is what the closet looks like, and let me just take you through it like very quickly. So here I've hung all my dresses on these blue hangers. Then नीचे यहाँ पे I already explained you all this. यहाँ पे I've kept a little bit of like my full sleeve tops that I think I can still wear. Now I have made a little change here. यहाँ पे मैंने jeans रखी थी, but I've switched them to here. तो यहाँ पे इन pink and white hangers में सारी jeans हैं. Then after this I've got these 3 multi-level hangers where I have all my fancy tops like my wrap tops, satin wale. Then here I've hung some more tops, shirts, skirts and a jacket that I wear to my gym. Now नीचे यहाँ पे I've got all my t-shirts. Here I've got all my colorful pants जो मैंने आपको पहले दिखाए थे, like they're all here. Then all my shorts here, so fancy shorts, and then pajama shorts and shorts I like to wear at home. And here finally my favorite drawer is all my t-shirts. Now I have a lot of t-shirts because I just love t-shirts, but I've tried to color coordinate them a little bit. So यहाँ पे ये 3 actually I have to put them यहाँ पे नीचे. यहाँ पे I've got all my white t-shirts. I have a lot of white t-shirts actually. Here I've got all my black t-shirts नीचे, black, grays and these beige and थोड़ा सा camel इस type के color वाले. Here I've got all my colorful ones. So there's neon, there's lavender, there's blue at the bottom. See here, and then finally here I've got all my reds and yellows. So there's yellow going down to orange and then red, and this ombre is so damn beautiful. So yes, this is what finally the closet looks like. I've got all my socks here, all my bras here, and all my undergarments, shorts like boy shorts and all that. सब कुछ यहाँ पर है. Footwear, and that's it. Finally it's done. And if I show you around, in this bag I've kept all my sweaters. तो आपको पहले मैंने बता दिया था यहाँ पे सारे sweaters है. Half of them I have gone to wash, तो वो धुल के आएंगे. Like keep it है. These are like these packing cubes or blanket covers that I got from Amazon for all my winter wears, and घर में blanket store करने के लिए भी ये use होता है. So these are actually really good, I'll link them in the description if you want. Now I have used another one of this box only to store all the things that I'll be selling. Okay, so I've mentioned a couple of times in this vlog that I'll be selling some of these things. Now if you remember last year जो मैंने closet clean out किया था, उसमें also I mentioned that I want to sell some of my stuff. Like I have a lot of things that are like pretty good, मतलब they are barely used or not used at all also. मतलब काफ़ी चीज़ें जिसमें सिर्फ tags लगे हुए हैं. So I do want to sell them and get that extra source of income for myself. And obviously you can also get it and ये sustainable भी रहता है. This also promotes a lot of thrifting and all that. So I have been thinking about that, but I don't know how to do it, like how to go about it. I have two ideas. I can either use any seller sites होती हैं जो like Meesho है, and बहुत सारी होती हैं actually. मैंने ads देखे थे एक दो के. I can either use that or I can make an Instagram store. Now I am more bent towards making an Instagram store because I have a lot of other ideas in my mind as well. So I just wanted to tell you, like ask you if you would be interested in all that. Like if you would be interested in buying things from my closet, or should I make like an Instagram store for my closet? So please tell me in the comments, and if you'll give me a positive response, I'll definitely go about it. I'll do it as soon as possible. I've actually started researching on it. So yes, that's it. This was the cleaning part of our video. I know this is mostly the video till now because मैं सुबह से यही कर रही हूँ. Like it's currently 5:20 and I have been at it since 12 or something, and I'm so tired.
Where my hope is, where I know I'm free. Ooh, this world accused me for my.
Now let's move on to the haul part of this video. So I got a lot of things from Nykaa. The first thing is this micellar water from Garnier. Now I really like Garnier के micellar water for removing my makeup. I use them every single day. And इसका जो pink वाला, like the normal variant, even that's really good. But I personally like this oil infused one more because ये like stubborn makeup like mascara, कभी कुछ बहुत extra drying matte lipstick हो, ये सबको remove करने के लिए it works fabulously. Next I got this new shampoo from L'Oreal to try it out. I've not tried it, don't know how it works. इसके बाद मैंने ये Pond's वाला, this is again another repurchase. I just love this. I use this in my morning skincare. इसके बाद there is this Fit Me का foundation. I got this for my mother. This is an amazing foundation for oily skin. मैंने अपनी mom के लिए 220 shade लिया है. I think I used 110 or 115. Next I got, okay, this is a sad story. So I bought this Sally Hansen का एक white nail paint. You guys know how obsessed I am with white nail paint, but I don't know how while adding it into my cart मैंने mistakenly एक clear nail paint add कर दिया, and I did not even realize that. जब ये आया, I saw this, I was like, oh no, I've ordered white. Did they send me wrong thing? But then I checked my orders और मैंने ये clear वाला ही लिया था. Next I got a serum for myself. So I've got this Dermacoca Niacinamide 10% niacinamide serum, and I heard a lot of vloggers talk about it, तो मैंने लिया because I've heard it pretty good. इसके बाद मैंने एक मस्कारा लिया है, The Colossal Waterproof one. Love this product, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Next I got a serum from Minimalist. This one is their multi-peptide serum. I got this for my parents because I've heard that it works really good for anti-aging and all that. So I got this. इसका packaging is very cute. Like the name itself, minimal सी packaging है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And this is the bottle that it comes in. इसके बाद I repurchased this Dr. Sheth का Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask for my father. You guys know उनको ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया था. I talked about it in one of my videos. I don't remember which one. And wait, let me see. Okay, I tore it because वो खुल नहीं रहा था. So it comes in a really beautiful glass packaging. And if you want to know more about this product, check out this video because I've already talked about it. Next I got a Dot & Key का Night Reset Retinol plus Ceramide Sleeping Treatment again for my parents because इसमें retinol वगैरह है which really helps in anti-aging. Finally I got a Dot & Key का AHA 10% AHA plus 2% BHA exfoliating serum. I've again not started using it yet. I've not even opened it. As you can see ये अभी कुछ time पहले आया हुआ है. So don't know how it works but I have heard कि wait, it's not opening at all. So yes, I said that I don't know how it will work out for my skin, but I've heard that this is an amazing product. So I'm super excited to try it. This one is for 1,000 rupees or something, so I hope it's worth the price. Ooh, so this is how it comes in, and yes, the product looks so pretty, like the beautiful packaging is key. So I've not used it yet again, and I got a couple of freebies actually from not couple. I think I got 2 freebies from Dot & Key. कुछ offer चल रहा था, so I got this Acne Defense Green Clay Mask and their Glossy Sleep Mask. So the battery died once again since I've been recording like crazy today. So I'm just left with 2 more products. I got this lipstick from the Maybelline Creamy Matte range if I remember correctly. इसको वही बोलते हैं. And I got it in the shade Craving Coral. So I actually never wear shades like this. You know I go for normally nudes and browns. But ऐसा मुझे कुछ लेने का मन कर रहा था. Let me swatch it for you. Now I'm thinking of trying out that Dot & Key wala exfoliant. So let's do it together. So I've read it in the instructions. It says that you have to wash and tone your face before applying this product. So I've washed it with this rice cleanser from the face shop. Because I've taken 3 drops and I have to apply it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. So this is the amount of product that I'm taking. And I'll apply it all over my face, avoiding the under eye area. And let's see.
Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes. I'm left in shame alone, but you tell me the truth.
So I've just washed it off. I've not done my skincare yet, but I do want to say that my skin feels relatively much softer than before. And that's it. This is what my skin looks like after my skincare, and I'm really amazed with that product. Like I really liked it after one use. Obviously I can't say whether you should invest it or not एक use के बाद, but my skin did feel relatively very soft. And now I'll end this vlog right here because my day was really hectic and I want to just lay down and chill with a book or maybe watch something on Netflix. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe नहीं किया तो please subscribe करना and bell icon दबाना so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Thursday at 11 AM. And yes, the engagement really helps with the growth of the channel. So like करना, comment करना, our comment section में let's chat there, help your girl out. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye guys.